Here is another beautiful story that talks about our ability to lose ourselves completely. It was a time of a divine discourse. As we all know, at the end of a divine discourse, there is a bhajan that Swami concludes with. On this occasion, Swami chose Prema Mudita Manase Kaho to end the discourse. So as the discourse was coming to an end and Bhagwan started the bhajan, Swami begins the bhajan, and it looks as if Swami has forgotten what is the next line of the bhajan. And so, as if trying to seek, some kind of a signal as to what the next line would be, Swami looks at this particular student, and the student is also actually taken aback because he's not able to believe that such a thing is happening. And Swami is asking him, what is the next line? And so this boy is able to gather his wits together and he's able to prompt Swami with the next line. And of course, the rest of the bhajan went on smoothly. And at the end of the discourse, Swami gives him a beautiful Abhay Hasta. And then the next occasion came up. And once again, Swami started another bhajan. And once again, it looked as if Swami had forgotten the lines. And once again, Swami looks at this student. And once again, this student prompts Swami. This happened one more time. And this student was absolutely, filled to his brim with, what you can call as ego, because he thought that, the rest of the world, rest of the universe prays to the Lord to save them, but Lord is looking at me to save him. Such was the Maya that was being played. And so, of course, every single time, he felt like he was Superman himself because he was saving God. A few weeks later, this boy was seated in the bhajan hall waiting for the bhajans to begin. Swami walks in just before the bhajan start, and he was generally having like what we call a divine chit-chat. Swami looks at all the students one by one. He's asking, what bhajan are you going to sing? And so Swami looks at this student also and says, so what bhajan are you going to sing today? And he replied, Swami, today I'm singing Shesha Shaila Vasa Narayana. And Swami said, okay, just hum a few lines and show me how does the bhajan go. And this boy starts to look at Swami completely dumbfounded because he is not able to recollect a single tune of a single line of this bhajan. And Swami said, what happened? You're going to sing it right now. He said, yes, Swami, but I'm not able to recollect the tune of the bhajan. And so Swami said, okay, if not this bhajan, what did you sing yesterday? And mind you, this brother was singing bhajans in Swami's presence for the past 20 years. He started to perspire. He was shocked. He was flabbergasted because he was not able to recollect a single bhajan in front of Swami. Swami looks at him and taps his head and says, Yemra, you thought that I forgot that day, is it? And this boy simply folded his hand and said, yes, Swami, it was a big mistake that happened on my part. And then Swami reveals, if I forget, the entire cosmos comes to a standstill. These are all chances that are given to you so that I can come closer to you. You feel that kind of kingship with me. It is our ability to lose ourselves completely. That full philosophy is what brings us closer to Swami.